Hello YouTube. This is my simple little drafting drawing board. I was given several pads of these. They are deposit slips and they're very thick. I have several of them left. They're over an inch thick. So we use them for drawing small stuff. So we made this little board. We just found the center this way and this way. Did the same thing on our paper. We've got a little bit of transparent tape on there. And we have our see-through ruler, our square, or triangle I should say, triangle, square, and we use this to do it on the board. And we had one side off, so we put an X not to use that. So we were squared this way and this way better than up here. So it's just for reference anyway. I don't go off the board when I'm drawing. I go off the edge of the paper when I'm drawing. This just gets me on here. I don't know if you can see it, but I have some real fine lines with my mechanical pencil. I can't tell you the lead. I think it's number 2, dark, something like that. There's a number on there. When you go in the store and buy lead, find a guy that does this stuff, knows what he's doing. Because he had me get the lead. Let me just get the case. The lead comes in a little case, okay? I have 2B, 1/2 millimeter thick. It's 2B. B means black, it's number 2. And I do it real fine on here, so this can be erased. So you barely draw your center line. You might not want it in the picture when you're done. Okay, when I drew the plans for my shed, I had a piece that had the slick stuff on it, like countertop. It was off an old computer desk. Here's my old T-square. Made in Kansas City, Kansas. Actually made in USA. This is old. A carpenter friend gave me this, so it's been chopped down. It was a big one that would go like 3 or 4 foot. I chopped it down. And I had that on a board. It was probably 2 foot by 1 foot something. And I drew the plans for my shed. Here is what you would see real quick. I know it's kind of some chicken scratching. These are old. This was back in 2011 when I built the shed. So it would have been the winter of 2010 I done this. This is where the stovepipe would go out the wall. So I drew everything out. All the measurements, the thickness of the floor joists, all that stuff. So it's not gonna get me an A+ in drafting, but it worked. So most little things I draw, they don't have to be exact. I'm just using this for the measurement. So I also have those templates where you draw the circles and the ovals, those little green see-through, and I have another little tool too that makes circles. So if I want a circle for a bolt hole, I have the templates for that, so I don't have to use the compass. I just lay it up there. It's got the arrows, and I just put the circle where I want it. So I'll include a picture of that. I have them somewhere across the shop. But real quick video. Like I said, just the simplest thing. You can buy cheap in the store. Your little see-through rulers, your little squares. I have a 30/60 one somewhere. Just cheap stuff. If you're just drawing, just for reference, it's not going to be exact copied off the paper. This is the way to go. It's better than trying to do a chicken scratching. So thanks for watching. We'll show you some pictures of those little other templates I have.